go to Harbor Freight. Not want to let go of it. If only he knew what I was about to do.
In 1.5 miles, the destination is on your left.
All right, guys, I just picked up this little mini bike back here. Freaking $200. He told me, he's like, man, I just haven't drove it in forever, man. He's like, but now I want to drive it. And I was like, well, too fucking bad, it's mine. Give me it. He's like over here trying to hold it, and I was like, about to hand him the money and yank it out of his good hands and put it in my car. I was so happy. Nasty shit. Can't paint over that. I'm not gonna just go around the edges. I'm gonna just take it apart. Fuck it. Do it right. So that's what we're doing now. Well, I was gonna clean this, but my amazing girlfriend just started cleaning it. I'm like, hell yeah. I'm just gonna sit here and watch. Scrub, scrub, scrub. If it's stained like that, I guess that's fine. Or no, you can wipe that off with a rag.
Yeah.
Here, scrub. Or I'll do it.
You scrub it off.
Yeah, I ain't gonna record too much of this process because it's boring and shit, but we'll see. You need to get every little square inch of this cleaned with that soap and then rinse it all off. And then I got 2 dry rags here. I'm gonna dry everything off. I don't see no need to scrape the paint off because I'm not trying to sell it or anything. If I was trying to sell it, it would, but I ain't worried about that. Look, the numbers are still on there. I feel like it's turning out pretty good. She's gonna be pimping here. Paint that sprocket gold too, and I'm gonna clean that chain as much as I can. I guess the chain actually looks pretty good. It's not rusted that much at all. And I got a bit carried away, but here it is, guys. What? Hell yeah. This thing's pimping, son. Get every little angle. I'm not a professional painter, guys. This is what I did. Looks dope. That's my tire. Hold on, wait. Let me fire this bitch up. Try to take off too. Why not? Oh no, that's a bitch to put back on. Well, maybe it's easier to drive like this. Looks like a pimp drives this. I put 6.9 on the front of it because I like that paint splatter. Probably a little too much. Look good. Oh yeah, the sprocket. I painted that gold. Painted this shit gold. Shoot, I think this thing's ready to go now. My little collection I got going on so far. Little mini bike. RTK 200. Be getting new tires soon. Not a big deal. Shit, they're coming in this Thursday. It's 4 days from now. This thing will be running like brand new, son. I got this one. Next step after getting those tires put on, I'm gonna be getting a new go-kart. And then I'll just be destroying this one whenever.